moment you see it, you realize this isn't just an SUV anymore. It's a statement of power, presence, and evolution. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Y63 arrives with the kind of confidence that commands silence, the kind that makes even luxury rivals pause. This is Nissan rewriting its flagship legend, and from the very first glance, it feels bolder, wider, and more purposeful than ever before. The exterior design takes everything iconic about the Patrol and sharpens it. The grille is massive and upright, framed by sleek, modern LED lighting that gives the Y63 a commanding face day or night. The body lines are cleaner yet more muscular, with a strong shoulder line and an imposing stance that makes it clear this SUV is built for dominance. Whether rolling through city streets or conquering open terrain, it feels premium but still unmistakably rugged. Step inside and the transformation continues. The cabin is spacious, refined, and unapologetically luxurious. Soft touch materials, stitched leather, and real metal accents surround you, while the layout feels modern and intuitive. The digital displays are crisp and seamlessly integrated, blending luxury with cutting-edge tech. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and comfort, making long journeys feel effortless, while the quietness of the cabin adds to the sense of sophistication. Under the hood is where the 2026 Patrol Y63 truly changes the game. Nissan moves away from the traditional V8, replacing it with a powerful twin-turbo V6 that delivers impressive performance with better efficiency. Acceleration is smooth yet forceful, pushing you forward with confidence the moment you press the throttle. It feels lighter on its feet than before, more responsive and surprisingly agile for its size. Fuel efficiency is noticeably improved, making it more practical for daily driving without sacrificing strength. On the road, the Patrol Y63 feels composed and confident. Steering is refined, suspension absorbs imperfections effortlessly, and high-speed stability is rock solid. Off-road, it remains a true patrol capable, intelligent, and ready for adventure. With advanced drive modes and terrain management systems working silently in the background. Technology is everywhere, but never overwhelming. Advanced driver assistance systems, a next-generation infotainment setup, and seamless connectivity make every drive feel future-ready while keeping the focus on comfort and control. Pricing is expected to start around the premium full-size SUV range, reflecting its luxury positioning, advanced technology, and powerful new powertrain. Key highlights include the twin-turbo performance, redesigned luxury interior, improved fuel economy, and a commanding new design that elevates the Patrol name. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Y63 isn't just an update, it's a bold leap forward. It blends power with refinement, tradition with innovation, and strength with intelligence. And if this is where Nissan is taking its flagship, the road ahead just became a lot more exciting. Stay tuned, because the next automotive story might be even bigger than this one.